October 13th, 2021, while taking my daughter home from school, we were stalked and then assaulted by Deputy Michelle Naylor, camped out on a back road at the request of her superior officer, Sergeant Jason Stickles, in an undercover car, knowing damn well I was dealing with harassment, which is the reason my cell phone was off and we had to use my daughter's phone to call my father. Naylor would go on to just completely desecrate the law at the behest of her commanding officer. All I wanted to do was get a fair trial, because I knew if my case could go to trial that I would win, because I was completely innocent. My license was illegally suspended. Because everything they did to me was so unlawful. My attorney, Kevin Pitts, intentionally did not tell me I had to be at docket sounding. Then in December of 2022, I figured out how to research the court docket, finally understood how my license was actually suspended, and was really excited, to get to trial so I could expose all of this stuff. I explained this to my attorney, which is the reason he schemed with the prosecution or with whoever in order to fool me into not realizing I had to be in court. Intentionally not messaging me until 30 minutes after court started, when I had been messaging him 48 hours prior. I was excited to go to have a trial, not one that I would be properly prepared for, which he also did not do. And my point is I was denied the right to a fair trial in Volusia County, Florida, because they knew they didn't have a real case. My attorney fails to tell me I have to be in court. Less than 15 hours later, my door's kicked in and I'm charged with resisting arrest 35 feet into my own home, which is highly illegal. I go sit in jail for 8 days, and at a bond hearing, I'm told bond is going to be denied unless I accept felony probation. Of course, I had to accept the felony probation. I have to come out and take care of my kids, and I have 30 days in which to appeal. I didn't know that at the time, but I told my attorney the first day out. I wrote Judge Nichols a letter within the first 5 days. I've been trying to hire an attorney in Volusia County to do an appeal, but I can't, because every defense attorney is aware of the scandal that's happening at the courthouse, and they don't want to face, that's where, as I was told, that's where their bread is buttered. So this is a huge problem in Volusia County, Florida, one that absolutely needs to be addressed, and potentially is happening nationwide. So there's a petition for a federal investigation in the description box below. I'm pleading with everybody that comes across this video. If you live in the United States, please sign this petition. It is crucial. This will probably end up being one of the biggest busts in the history of the United States of America, because what I experienced and my just experience in life, I can tell this is not an isolated incident. This is a very big problem. So please sign the petition. There's a whole heck of a lot more going on in my case than that, and much more that can be proven. But the most important part is that I was schemed against and denied the right to a fair trial, which every American citizen has a right, and I was denied that right. And that is crucial. And for that reason, and also the court fraud, I'm demanding this investigation. So please sign the petition in the description box below. And that way we can, get this remedied, for not just myself, but for everybody. All right. Please like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate every one of your signatures. We already have 107 signatures. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.